In this video I'm going to show you how to fix stick drift on the Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller. First, go to the controller that is causing the problem, for example this one, and then check if there's nothing in there, no dust, dirt, anything. Maybe there is something in there that is causing the problem. Now what you want to do then is press down the controller, and then you can sort of see in the gap and then blow in it with your mouth. Or ideally with some compressed air, because something is in your controller and that is why you have the drift. Then what you want to do is push the control down and rotate it 3 to 4 times one side, and then rotate it 3 to 4 times the other side. It sounds silly guys, but this actually could help remove the thing that is causing the drift. Now check now if the problem is resolved. If the stick drift is not resolved, it could be a calibration problem. What we need to do then is we need to go to System Settings, scroll down to Controllers and Accessories, and then scroll down to Calibrate Control Sticks. Press A. Tilt the control stick you want to calibrate. Now we want to calibrate this one. When the control stick isn't being touched, the cursor above will appear as a cross, and we see a cross here, so we have no problems with that. When the stick is tilted, the cursor will appear as a dot moving within the outer circle. If we move the cursor, we see a dot, so this is also okay. When the stick is fully tilted in any direction, the outer circle will light up. And as you see, it lights up. So in this case, I don't have any calibration problems. But if you have problems with it, what you need to do then is press on X. You should only recalibrate it if there's something wrong. But yeah guys, I hope this helped the stick drift. If it doesn't, then you maybe need to open up the Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller.